Okay. Hey, biologists. Wanted to give you some instructions on this week's work. So let me get a little share screen going on. Um, First things first, what you would do is get into Schoology and get into your remote learning materials. Find the folder for this week down at the bottom. It'll look a little different by the time you get to it. I got to adjust some things. So there is this link that says Rabbits, Grass, and Weeds Model. Click on that first. And then you get to click on this thing, and that gets you to this actual website. And we'll get rid of that because that's already there. And then we'll get back to this thing. So how does this work? This basically tells you how to use it. You really only need to read the what is it, how to use it, things to notice, things to try. I'm going to have you do that. So you want to click on this tiny thing that says run this model in your browser. You can download the application too, but it might not work. You might need an administrator password. So if I click on that, you get this. You got to click here where it says net logo web, and then finally that opens, and then you just click on this, runs in your browser. So you see why I'm giving you this video, because it'd be a lot. The one you want is here. So if you click on that, you type in rabbits, the first one that comes up, click on it. Okay. So you're finally here. This is what we want. Now, basically, we're never going to change this, and we're never going to change the starting number. Basically, you're seeing how the rabbits multiply based upon the availability of grass and weeds, or basically other plants that you can add later. So first you got to click setup every time. That puts the stuff out there. Then you click go. And this little graph down at the bottom tells you over time how many rabbits you have. Remember, you started at 150. It's up to, what is it, 200 something now. And then if you want to stop, you just click go again. And if you want to reset, you click setup again. So you're basically going to be changing the birth threshold, grass grow rate, grass energy, weeds grow rate, and weed energy. And this, where it says how to use it, tells you what those things are. Birth threshold slider tells the energy level at which the rabbits reproduce. Grass growth rate slider controls the rate at which the grass grows. Weeds growth rate slider controls the rate at which the weeds grow. And the grass energy tells you how much energy you get. So if the birth threshold is 15 and the grass energy is 5, that means each rabbit needs to eat 5 grasses or green squares before they can reproduce. If you add in weeds and give them a little bit of energy, the weeds are the purple blocks. So that rabbits can eat them just as easily as they can eat the grass. And then you click that, and then you see what's going on. Now that you have that up, you go and you click on the assessment, like so, and basically you go through. And the assessment's going to look like this. It'll give you some instructions, basically what I just said. Click on Start New Attempt. I think you can only try it once. So basically, your task is to adjust the settings so all the rabbits die. And once you accomplish that, fill in the numbers that you had. And all you got to do is use this button here to create a 2-column 5-row table, and then you can write your answers in like that. And then the next one is pretty similar, except I want you to adjust the settings so you get the highest number of rabbits possible. Like, you can get into the thousands. And once you do that, you write the numbers you used here, your highest number of rabbits, and then again, you're going to make a 2-column, but this is going to be 6 rows table. That's not right. I wanted a 2-column 6-row table. Well, whatever, you'll get it right. And then the last one is, based on your findings, explain which setting or settings you think has the biggest impact on the survival of the rabbits. Use the data in your tables to support your claim. And then that's it. That's what I want you to do for that. And if you have any questions, send me a message in Schoology, send me an email. You know how to reach me. Be well and stay safe, everybody. And I will talk to you soon.